Hey guys, what's up? It's Charlie here, and today we're going to be looking at 10 things fast food employees won't tell you. We all know fast food isn't exactly good for us, but that doesn't stop us from chomping into burgers and fries every now and then. But like in any industry, there are some shocking secrets. And there are some things employees will just never tell you. And this is also the case for fast food employees. Before we get into it, leave a like and subscribe and comment I subscribed and I'll try to reply. Coming in at number 10, we have fake grills. We all know if we buy a burger from a fast food outlet, the patty will have grill lines. A combination of this and some deceptive commercials probably leads you to believe that fast food companies grill their foods. But surprise surprise, there isn't some artisan chef in the back. No, those patties are only cooked for about 20 seconds. So, how is there grill marks and a smoky aroma to your burgers? Well, it's all 100% fake. They're prepared in advance in huge food factories and then shipped out to fast food restaurants. That is how they're cooked in only about 20 seconds without giving you food poisoning. But what about that great smoky aroma you get from burgers? Well, this is yet another illusion. They simply add an artificial smoky aroma to your meat. This trickery is very convincing, as most people believe the grills behind the counter are what makes the lines and aroma. But what if I told you there isn't even any grills behind the counter? No, most fast food restaurants use large, flat metal plates with no grills to cook their patties to do it way quicker. Next up is mystery music. When we go into fast food restaurants, it's not uncommon to hear music. But what you might not be so used to is hearing fancy sounding classical music inside a fast food joint. Maybe you've never realized it before, but if you go at nighttime, it's often playing. The music usually only plays late at night and turns off or goes back to regular music in the morning. But why is this? Well, many people go to bars and clubs, get wasted, and then head to their local fast food place to get some carbs to stop their drunkenness and hangovers. But put a bunch of drunk people in the same place and hijinks can occur. So in an effort to stop dangerous arguments that can turn nasty, many restaurants try and subconsciously calm people down with classical music. It's not in every restaurant, but many ones located in cities or places with a busy nightlife. So listen out next time you're at a McDonald's at 1 in the morning, if you haven't been drinking, that is. Next up is soda fountains. This is a shocking study which might put you off your cola or lemonade next time you go to a fast food joint. That is because your drink probably contains some fecal matter. In Virginia, ABC News tested out 30 soda machines and half of them contained fecal matter. Some believe this is thanks to staff not washing their hands in the bathroom and then operating the machines. Either that or patrons have been touching the nozzles with their unwashed hands. What's even more shocking is that legally a bit of fecal matter is allowed, but 20% of the places the study took place at went over the legal limit. Some say the restaurant managers are not cleaning their nozzles on a daily basis, as they should be. Yeah, maybe stick to a bottle instead of grabbing your soda from a soda fountain at a fast food joint, unless you want to risk having poop in your soda. Next up is drink sizes. We all know the common drink sizes in restaurants, that is small, regular and large. A simple way for fast food companies to sell more drinks is to increase their size. People usually choose medium-sized drinks, but because of this, the regular drinks are actually the large ones. So if you say you want a regular drink, you'll often be given the largest option. Because if you don't exactly specify that you want a small, medium or large, you'll be given the largest one. This is so they can charge you the maximum amount, making them way more money. This happens to so many people without them even knowing or realizing it. And as they never really stated what they want, it's legal for companies who sell fast food to do this. So be sure to always say medium instead of regular to avoid this trick and save a ton of money. Next up is healthy salads. We all know burgers, fries and cola are not healthy, but salads must be okay, right? Well, not exactly. Fast food places use a ton of additives to try and make their salad taste as good as their succulent burger and fries. But if you've ever tasted how bland salad is, you know this can be hard. So they add all of these additives which make the salad taste sweeter and better. But it also makes the calories very high, and in many cases, salads have more calories than a small burger thanks to all the additives. Meaning it would be healthier to eat a burger than a salad. How crazy is that? So next time you're thinking of going for the healthy option of a salad, think again, because chances are it's no healthier than the rest of the stuff the fast food restaurant sells, if not a little bit worse. Next up is appetizing colors. Do you ever drive past a fast food outlet and get really hungry? Well, it's not just because you saw the logo or something. It's actually because fast food restaurants hire psychologists instead of designers to design their restaurants and logos. The psychologists tell them where to position things and what colors to use, because there are some colors that psychologically make you hungry. Those are red and yellow. Take a look at almost any fast food logo and you'll see red or yellow in there somewhere. That's right, it's not just a coincidence. Some call this the ketchup and mustard theory, because ketchup is red and mustard is yellow, much like the logo's colors. These colors can be seen in the logo of Pizza Hut, Burger King, KFC, and McDonald's. So if you feel hungry next time you see one of these logos, think again, you're being brainwashed. Next up is bad coffee. People drink coffee for various reasons, but the main reason is to be stimulated and to keep awake, whether you're waking up in the morning or pulling an all-nighter. Because of this, you might think that fast food restaurant coffee would work great, as it's convenient and cheap. But what if I told you that coffee that comes from fast food places doesn't even stimulate you? The coffee from these places usually comes in styrofoam cups, not paper ones. And those contain a chemical which, when heated up, can give some negative effects to whoever's drinking it. The effects mainly come in the form of damaging your nervous system, which causes you to be unhappy and drastically reduces your concentration. So you would have no luck studying all night with a styrofoam cup coffee. So make sure you avoid styrofoam coffee cups at all costs, unless you want to feel bad for the entire day or night. Coming up next, we have fast food. We all know fast food is fast, but it's not only called that because it's made and given to you fast, but also because they want you to eat it fast. Listen out next time you're in a fast food restaurant. I guarantee you'll hear some fast-paced upbeat music. The reason for this? Well, they want you to eat and then go as soon as possible. And this is all to save them money. Firstly, the less time you're there, the less accidents can happen, not affecting their insurance. Also, they don't like people hanging around and want to keep the area open for new customers. The fast music will subconsciously make you do things faster at the rate of the music. So next time you find yourself speeding through a hamburger, slow down, if you can. This is yet another clever psychological trick fast food restaurants use to control your behavior. Next up, we have fake eggs. Eggs don't feature on all fast food restaurant menus, but they do appear in many breakfast muffins and other items. But did you know that the eggs they use aren't eggs at all? It may surprise you, but what they really use is called premium egg mixture. It may sound good, but once you hear what the ingredients of premium egg mixture are, you won't be thinking that. It's made out of a form of silicone and loads of additives. It's much better to make your eggs at home, because fast food eggs are nothing like the real deal. Who'd have thought the only healthy foods on fast food restaurant menus would be fake? It's hard to believe this surprising fact, as the eggs look so realistic. But to begin with, before it's cooked, it looks way less appetizing than a real egg. And next up, we have cola. Some people think that the cola from fast food restaurants always tastes better for some reason. They can't put their finger on it, but it has a fresher taste in some way. Well, this is simply because when you get a cola or any other drink for that matter from a soda fountain, you're not actually getting the drink. What you're getting is the concentrate of that drink, mixed with water. This is not to taste better though, but to save the fast food companies a ton of money. Instead of buying cola, they just buy a highly concentrated version and dilute it with water. This is not only worse quality, but it also means they're making you pay regular price for something they're getting dirt cheap. The reason why it might taste fresher is because you're doing the mixing as you're using the fountain. This does make the cola taste a bit fresher, but that is not necessarily a good thing. And the cola isn't any better despite what you may think or have been told. So really, the companies are actually making you do all of the work by mixing it. This does in some cases make it fresher, but as I said, it's not like they offer a discount price. This is also the reason why they have those unlimited free refill machines, because it doesn't actually change the price, as they pay a tiny amount for gallons of cola mix. This is the same for any soda, and in some cases even alcohol if you're in Europe. That's right, we have beer in our McDonald's over here. Your move, America. And that just about wraps up this video. Check out the poll in the top right corner and you can vote for the most shocking fast food secret. I think it's the nasty soda fountains, because that is really gross. Yeah, I think I'm going to be avoiding the soda fountain from now on. But as always, thanks for watching. Check out some more videos on screen right now. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Top 10s.